everyone, welcome to the weather forecast today. I will give you some information about the weather in Hanoi City and its neighborhood. Today it is raining a lot in Hanoi City, and the temperature is about 24 degrees, and the humidity is very high, about 95%. And it's a cold day, at least in 3 days. So the rain is continued, but the amount of rain decrease. The temperature is about 30 degrees, and the humidity is higher and lower, about 70%. Because of the rain, some roads and streets on our city are blocked or very wet. So be careful and bring the umbrellas, raincoat, or another useful thing for you when you want to go out. Thank you for listening.